Hen, you are starting your career, you are hungry for success. This success-driven mind drives you to apply for the best firm, and your sole aim and concentration is to crack the interview and be hired. It's the prestige and brand name that we want to be associated with our resume. We often miss out that our resume speaks also about the kind of work and responsibility we handled. It speaks about our ability and our choices to move ahead in our career with respect to our hunger to better ourselves in our chosen field. Hence, it is good to search for the best, but it is better to turn into one of the best. 1. Deloitte. It comes as no surprise that Deloitte holds the #1 global position. Furthermore, its hold on the top spot seems secure for the time being. Deloitte is located in more than 150 countries and has over 600 offices in the world. The firm is headquartered in New York City, New York. They have most recently reached the 100-partner milestone when they merged with Curtis McLean. 2. PwC. Deloitte's closest competition over the last few years has been and continues to be PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers. PwC comes in as the second-largest accounting firm in the world. PwC has locations in more than 150 countries and more than 750 offices worldwide. Unlike Deloitte, they are headquartered in London. 3. Ernst Young. Ernst Young earns the #3 position in global accounting firms. This firm operates in more than 150 countries, utilizing more than 700 offices worldwide. They are globally headquartered in London. Also, in recent history the firm has acquired Greenwich Consulting, adding 7 more offices to its roster, and more experience in strategy consulting. 4. KPMG. Holding firm at number 4, KPMG comes in as the last of the Big Four but still far ahead of the number 5 firm on our list. Typically, the firm operates in over 650 offices located in over 150 countries around the world. They're headquartered in Amsterdam, Netherlands. 5. Grant Thornton. Grant Thornton UK is number 5 in the top 20 firms and is an arm of Grant Thornton International. Essentially, the firm has 26 offices spread across the UK and specializes in audit, tax, and advisory services. Recently, they've merged with PFK to bring more services and locations to its clients in the UK. The firm is headquartered in London. 6. BDO. BDO ranks number 6 and is headquartered in London. The firm has more than 1,200 offices in 138 countries. Furthermore, they recently added to their capabilities and offices through the acquisition of Alpern Rosenthal. The merger will allow BDO to expand its operations in both Pittsburgh and Florida. Ultimately, the firm specializes in audit, tax, and advisory services but has much more to offer its clients. 7. RSM. Tenon. RSM Tenon Group comes in at number 7 out of the top 20 firms in the world. They are headquartered in London and currently operate out of more than 700 offices located in more than 100 countries. Recently, the firm announced the merger of its China firm with that of Crowe Horwath's Chinese firm to create a new firm called Ruihua China CPAs. 8. Smith & Williamson. Smith & Williamson holds the number 8 position in the world. They are headquartered in London and hold more than 550 offices in over 100 countries. The company hasn't merged with any other firms in recent history but is a part of M&A International and Nexia International. 9. Baker Tilly. Baker Tilly is number 9 on the top 20 list in the largest firms in the world. They're headquartered in Chicago and hold more than 580 offices in more than 110 countries. In June 2013, the firm merged with Holtz Rubenstein Remenick LLP. Consequently, the merger added 25 firms to Baker Tilly's already larger list. 10. Moore Stephens. Moore Stephens UK is headquartered in London and holds the 10th spot on the top 20 list of firms. They are a part of Moore Stephens International, which has more than 620 offices in more than 100 countries. Also, their UK division recently merged with Winks Corporate Finance and X-Straw Business Consulting. 11. Mazars. Mazars, headquartered in London, holds the number 11 position. The firm has more than 13,000 employees in more than 70 countries. They recently merged with Chadwick at their Liverpool and Manchester branches. The merger will allow the company to expand in the area where they did not have a great presence before.